Welcome back to TechExpress, your go-to channel for practical tutorials into e-commerce website and project management. Today, let's dive into a crucial aspect of your creative process, using the reference images effectively with MidJourney. So whether you are designing a website, creating digital content, or just managing product references, images can duplicate your workflow. So first of all, let's understand the power of the referenced images. If you don't know how to get started with MidJourney, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description so you can have an actual account totally for free. You must have this code in order to have access to MidJourney and to use the actual MidJourney. So in this case, what I'm going to be doing here is to tell you what you can do here into the power of the referenced images. In any creative endeavor, clarity and inspiration are key. So the referenced images provide a visual roadmap of what you can actually do, helping you define aesthetics, the structure, and the functionality. In MidJourney, integrating these images can streamline this design process and ensure alignment with your business. So the tools and techniques. Let's jump into the MidJourney and explore how to integrate reference images seamlessly. So first of all, what you want to do is to have access to MidJourney. If you go directly to midjourney.com, you might be having access to the Discord, and here into Discord, you might be having now access to an actual server. So into this server, you can see that we are inside MidJourney, and there's a lot of elements where you can just use to get started. So here, what I need to do, of course, is to make sure that I have verified my account in order to have access to MidJourney. So here into MidJourney, what you can do is to go directly here inside the newcomer rooms, and you can try to look out for newbies or newbies 145 of how you can actually use this actual element. What people do in here is what you need to do is to just click to them and try to ask, for example, what you actually look for. For example, more Khalifa among the clouds. And here you might be having the image generated by MidJourney. So you can try to use this application and try to aim for a lot of, truly a lot of images so you can understand how this actually works. Now, let's see what we can do to get started and to use the reference images provided by the recent roadmap. For example, tower and sky. So I scroll a little bit down and I try to look out for an image that can be really related to what I'm looking for. Let's say with clouds. And now as you can see, maybe I can use this image generation. So I go and copy this image. What you can do is to make sure that you're copying the address of this image. Let's go back into this code and try to paste it. Now here I go and look out for // Now here, as you can see, we have a lot of elements that we can use. Now here, what I need to do is to look out for the imaging. Here into the imaging, you go for the prompt. Let's say that I ask for something related into what I'm looking for. So organize it into the folders and categorize by relevance and show easy access throughout your product lifestyle. For example, let's say imagine a tower at the sky in the middle, or let's go for surrounded by lots of clouds, and in the end there are more buildings, the tower to be. And then I just open this, I paste my image URL, and I send it. Try to make the prompt as much descriptive as you can. Somebody else asked, for example, like a masterpiece, super detailed, highly detailed, high resolution, fit body, perfect eyes, pale sky, fair skin, perfect at night, ultra delicate. So try to aim for the most great detailed image as you can possibly can, so you can have really great results. Now in the end, this code, in this case MidJourney, should be generating something for us. They have 4 different boats. If you kind of like one of those, what you can do is to upscale one image. So that would be, I might be having now access to the generation of this image. So you can do to upscale the image number 1, go for upscale number 2, upscale number 3, or upscale number 4. Other solution is, for example, to make more variations based on the image that was generated for you. If the image that you kind of like is the second, then focus into V2. That will be variations based on my image number 2. Click into this link and you might be having access to it. We have run out of a free trial right now, so we are not having now any more access to this kind of elements, but this is how you can actually use this reference directly here into MidJourney. Lastly, what you want to do is to make sure that you can seamlessly integrate your reference images across various platforms. So whether you are syncing with your e-commerce platform, sharing insights with your web developer team, or just presenting the project milestone, MidJourney offers the versatile export motion of the image quality and fidelity. So with that being said, guys, that's a wrapped up of our tutorial on using reference images into the MidJourney. We hope you find this insight valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical tips and tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.